Okay, the first step to cancel your YouTube Premium history.
Drop a like if this helps. Let's go. Learn passive income concepts. Click the link down below.
Is to go to your profile, the bottom right hand screen. Then scroll down until you see your premium benefits, which should be below your movies and TV and above time watched. And as you can see, if you scroll down, this is your YouTube Premium benefits, and you want to click the bottom hand screen, manage your membership. And as you can see, this is YouTube Premium. It's currently active. You want to click on it. And then as you can see, it's a family membership, and you can click edit the family plan, but in this case we would like to delete. So click here, learn more. And as you can see, this is set up to manage your YouTube plan. If you were to scroll down, scroll a little more, as you can see, you can add and remove other family member tasks. You can change your payment method, or you can cancel your paid membership and click cancel your YouTube paid membership. This is just asking and verifying you would like to cancel the paid YouTube Premium. If you're happy or satisfied, click cancel now. You're gonna have to log in to verify your details. Okay, so my apologies. If you're not part or if you're not the main owner of the YouTube Premium membership, you are unable to cancel it. Basically, what you're gonna have to go do is go to family members, join or leave. In this case, click the second option, leave a family group or get an individual YouTube paid membership, and click sign up for your own YouTube paid membership. Again, this is if you're trying to leave the family group. On desktop or PC, basically, if you go to youtube.com, as you can currently see, we have YouTube Premium. If you go to the top right hand screen, you click on your profile and it says YouTube and it says your premium benefits, purchases and memberships. Click on your premium benefits, and as you can currently see here, that basically it says you're a member since so and so, and you have all of the different things. If you were to scroll down, you can click here, how can I manage premium membership? Click on page membership page or see premium description. In this case, I clicked on the first option, manage membership. Now unfortunately you can't change anything because you're only part of the family membership, and only the family manager can make changes. In this case, I have a family manager, so in order to cancel, you are going to have to directly contact the person and cancel from there completely for free.